Here's a great deal on a 2018 Mercedes-Benz AMG C43. This two-door, four-passenger convertible has not yet reached the 20,000-kilometer mark. Mercedes-Benz made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, power front seats, automatic dimming door mirrors, automatic temperature control, a power convertible roof, and seat memory. Mercedes-Benz ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop in and take a test drive.